It's moving day, and U.S. Cargo Control has the blankets you need to keep belongings protected. Our moving blankets come in woven and non-woven options. Non-woven blankets are heated and pressed during manufacturing. If you're moving multiple times or need a blanket with more weight and durability, our woven blankets have you covered. These blankets are woven and bound together during manufacturing, giving you great coverage and security. Most of our blankets are 72 by 80 inches, and all are stitched in chevron pattern and filled with recycled cotton fiber. U.S. Cargo Control categorizes moving blankets as good, better, and best. Our good blankets range in weights of 43 pounds per dozen to 65 pounds per dozen. The entire blanket is non-woven. This blanket category is great for consumers who need an inexpensive storage solution or truckers needing to protect their cargo. Our better blankets range from 65 pounds per dozen to 85 pounds per dozen. The blanket body is woven and the binding is non-woven. These blankets are more durable than our good blankets, have more weight, and are great for protecting your cargo. Our best blankets range from 75 pounds per dozen to 95 pounds per dozen. The entire blanket is woven, making them our most durable option. So check out our large selection of moving blankets and moving supplies at uscargocontrol.com, because we are your one-stop shop for all your moving and cargo needs. U.S. Cargo Control. What you want, when you need it.